Hey folks, my name's Gabe. I'm here with Southwest Florida Auto, and today I'm going to be taking you on a virtual test drive of this 2006 Honda Odyssey. It's super clean inside and out. It's only got 42,000 miles, and these are just really great vans, very popular. I'm just going to do a quick walk around video here today, and my goal is just to alleviate any questions or concerns you might have about the condition or quality of this vehicle without actually having to be here in person. So starting here in the front, as you can see, it's kind of got a light gray paint job, still has its shine to it, looking great here in the sun. Everything lines up perfectly. The headlights are in fantastic shape. The grille, everything looking good. Moving on down to the side, it still has its factory Honda rims. They're not all curbed up. They're actually in really good shape. And the tires are pretty much brand new. So that's pretty relieving that you won't have to dump a whole bunch of money into new tires after purchasing a vehicle. Coming down the side, everything looks great. Everything lines up very well. The panels look very sharp. There's a small dent there. You can hardly tell. But we try to be 100% transparent with all of our sales. We don't like to hide anything. We have clean, low-mile vehicles, so we don't really have a reason to hide anything. Go ahead and pop the rear hatch for you. It's extremely clean. The whole vehicle is this way. All the seats and carpets are in fantastic shape. These seats do fold down in here to kind of create a flat space for a lot more storage. Coming along this side once again, everything looking very sharp. It does have third row seating. It seats 8 comfortably. And it's got the automatic doors. All you gotta do is pull the handle and it opens. Pretty sweet. It also has the buttons on the key fob for that feature. So once again, everything is super clean. The carpets look fantastic, and our detailer does an absolutely immaculate job. Get a view of the rear seats there. Literally look brand new. And the headliner is also nice and tight as well. Not all drooped down. Go ahead and get in the driver's seat before I do. Look how clean that door panel is. It's not all worn out. And the driver's seat, same thing. It's not all tattered from the driver getting in and out over the years. This is a true low-mile vehicle. Go ahead and start it up. Once again, it's just absolutely so clean in here. It feels good to sit in here. It smells good. It's a comfortable family vehicle. As you can see there, only 42,000 miles. I'll go ahead and rev it up for you. It revs up nice and smooth. There's no weird shaking, anything like that. No mechanical issues whatsoever. Okay. All of the buttons, everything is fully intact. The AC blows ice cold. It's got a very sharp setup here for the radio and air conditioning. Very spacious, and the dash is super clean. Lots of features in this van. I can't even get over how clean this thing is for being an 06. Got your cup holders there. Literally everything you need is right here in this van, and it's ready to hit the road as is. I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you, show you what's going on under there. All right. Super clean. It idles nice and smooth, as you can see. A new battery. No issues or any areas of concern whatsoever. So as you can see, this vehicle has been very well maintained throughout the course of its life. was obviously somebody's baby. Like I said, it's only got 42,000 miles. This is a mint condition van right here. Perfect family vehicle. It's got the third row seats. It's super clean inside and out. Do not miss your opportunity to own this car. Honda Odysseys are extremely popular vans for a reason. They're very reliable, they're gas efficient, they're comfortable. People just love them. So thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope it was of some assistance to you. You can visit us at southwestfloridaauto.com or feel free to give us a call at 239-850-5060. That's 239-850-5060. Thank you.